Do you need an acid reflux diet? If you are suffering from acid reflux, it is crucial that you take the necessary precautions in order to stop your problem before it causes serious issues. An acid reflux diet is one of the best ways to do this. By starting an acid reflux diet regimen, you will ensure yourself of staying healthy, and never again having to worry about dealing with this painful condition. An acid reflux diet consists of several different factors. The first thing that you will want to do is try to break up your food intake so that you are not eating 3 big meals per day. Eating smaller meals more frequently will help cut back on your problem. Also, an acid reflux diet will call for you to cut out all of the high-fat meals that you usually consume. This usually happens when you go out to a fast food restaurant and gorge yourself. By cutting out this habit, you will be able to decrease your acid reflux problem. There are a couple of different things that you should absolutely never consume if you are trying to stick to an acid reflux diet. First off, never drink alcohol, this will complicate your problem. Also, anything that has caffeine in it is a no-no. This means that you should avoid things such as coffee and chocolate, among others. Finally, when you are on an acid reflux diet, try to sit upright while you eat. This will help to control the problem while you're eating. Overall, an acid reflux diet is a must for anybody that is suffering from this problem. It does not take a lot to get rid of acid reflux. If you have a little bit of discipline, you should be able to rid of this problem in no time at all. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up. Share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe.